HMA. Pro VPN Guide, OpenVPN Registered Setup, Windows, Alternative VPN Client. This tutorial explains how you can configure our alternative client OpenVPN with HMA. Pro VPN. This is for Windows only. If you're using a Mac, you need to use the TunnelBlick client instead. Aside from this VPN client, there is also a portable version, OpenVPN Registered Portable at http://bit.ly/2fqjmxq. Part 1. Download OpenVPN at http://bit.ly/2amwody and install. Keep clicking next until finished. Other download websites, OpenVPN, http://bit.ly/2rrod7d. OpenVPN GUI, http://bit.ly/2trsnk6. Caution. To prevent connection error messages like options error, unrecognized option or missing parameter, sroot metric, 2.0.9, make sure you uninstall any old version of OpenVPN you might have installed. Then install the latest version from above links. Part 2, download configuration files. OpenVPN Registered works by standard through the TCP protocol and port 443. If you experience any kind of connection issues or bad speeds, it's a good idea to try UDP instead, works via port 53. TCP and UDP config files can be downloaded as single files. Note that these configuration files are for OpenVPN Registered version 2.4 and newer, at http://bit.ly/2falfqa. Now it's time to move the star.open configuration files into the OpenVPN Registered configuration folder which you've opened in step 2. Have you downloaded the .zip archive? You need to extract the files either directly into that folder, or anywhere else and then move, drag and drop, them into the folder. Have you downloaded single star.open files? Move them from where you downloaded them into the OpenVPN Registered configuration folder. Part 3, open or run OpenVPN as admin. You can open OpenVPN Registered from your Start menu. In some cases it's necessary to enforce administrator privileges, by right-clicking the OpenVPN Registered shortcut and select Run as Administrator. To be certain, just do so, otherwise it can be that either the VPN connection cannot be established due to insufficient privileges, or it can be established but your system is still using the normal internet connection instead the VPN. Once opened, an icon will appear in your system tray. Part 4, connect to a desired VPN server. Right-click the icon to display a list of VPN servers. Attention, if you receive the error message not more than 50 config files supported, this is just a limitation of the OpenVPN client. You can easily disable this by deleting all config files of the servers that you don't use, so that you have 50 or less config files left in the config folder. Select a VPN server such as france.paris.tcp. To establish the connection, right-click on the icon, select the imported server and click Connect. You will now be shown a login box. Enter your own HMA account username and password. To avoid this window, you can now use the OpenVPN GUI login tool, which automatically enters your username and password for you. The icon should turn green and confirm you have been connected. You can disconnect the same way you connected, simply by selecting Disconnect. Part 5, verify you are connected. You can verify you have been connected by visiting an IP address checker website such as http://goip.hidemyas.com. Part 6, connect to a random server. Note, if you wish to connect to a random VPN server, open one of the star.open config files with a text editor. At the top, add the line, remote random. At the bottom, duplicate. The last line for every server you want to randomly connect to, like this, remote 91.238.115.4443, remote 204.45.56.146.443, remote 188.65.26.130.443, or you can use this templates and modify /add server IPs at the bottom, randomserver.tcp.example.openat, http://bit.ly/2qs3rxs. randomserver.udp.example.openat, http://bit.ly. Part 7, how to save username and password in the OpenVPN GUI. There are multiple ways to save your username and password, so you don't need to enter it again for every connection. Method 1, open the star.open config file with the text editor. Change the line auth_user_pass to auth_user_pass password.txt. Now create a password.txt file in the same folder where the config file is. The first line must contain your username, the second line must contain your password. Now connect. Method 2. The scripts below. There are two useful scripts you can use for the OpenVPN registered GUI app. You'll need the tool AutoHotkey at http://bit.ly/2dcsrws, which allows .a scripts to be run and compiled as .exe files. Note, make sure you have less than 50 star.openconfig files in the OpenVPN/config folder to prevent the warning message from appearing. Script 1. To run OpenVPN GUI and connect with specific OpenVPN profile, run c:\program files, x86, /openvpn/bin/opengui.exe connect austria.corinthia.klagenfurt.tcp.open. WinWait active, user authentication, OpenVPN, 1 send MIP username tab MIP password enter process, exist, opengui.exe. WinShow, OpenVPN connection win activate, OpenVPN connection sleep, 100 send, tab enter WinWait, OpenVPN, user authentication, if win not active, OpenVPN, user authentication, win activate, OpenVPN, user authentication, WinWait active, OpenVPN, user authentication, send MIP username tab MIP password enter return save it as e.g. run openvpn.a or download it here, run openvpn.a at http://bit.ly/2sy8ms7. Script 2. To let the OpenGUI application reconnect to change IP, process, exist, opengui.exe. WinShow, OpenVPN connection win activate, OpenVPN connection sleep, 100 send, tab enter WinWait, OpenVPN, user authentication, if win not active, OpenVPN, user authentication, win activate, OpenVPN, user authentication, WinWait active, OpenVPN, user authentication, send, VPN username tab VPN password enter return save it as e.g. reconnect.a or download it here, reconnect.a at http://bit.ly/2m3dg. Notes, make sure the path to the OpenGUI.exe in the script fits your computer. If you're using a different version of OpenVPN registered, the file name might be different as well, so you need to adapt the script to it, e.g. maybe OpenGUI 1.0.3.exe instead OpenGUI.exe. Modify the OpenVPN registered profile file name, Switzerland.Zurich_LOC1S5.udp.open, to fit the server you'd like to connect to. Replace VPN username with your VPN username, and VPN password with your VPN account password. Get the necessary star.openconfig files from http://bit.ly/2cokrls. If using the 64-bit version of OpenVPN registered GUI, you need to change the folder in the script from Program Files, x86, to Program Files. Method 3, use the tool OpenVPN GUI login tool at http://bit.ly/2fdyziy. Part 8, Troubleshooting Info. If you can connect, but e.g. IP address.com still shows your real IP, try one of these. Please start the OpenVPN registered client with admin privileges by right-clicking the shortcut and select Run as Administrator. To save and automatically enter your username and password in the OpenVPN GUI client, as well as scheduling IP changes and one-click reconnect, you can use the HMA OpenVPN GUI login tool. To automatically start the OpenVPN registered GUI app, enter your username and password and reconnect to change IP. You can use the above two scripts.